Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce. It's great to have you here. This video is about how you can make $100 a month, $1,000 a month or more. And we're going to keep this simple. We're going to keep this easy so that anybody can do this. No skills are necessary. You can do this from the comfort of your home, and you can do this from just about anywhere in the world, and all you need is an internet connection. Now, what makes this opportunity so special is that your income is going to be what is called residual income. And residual income is the kind of income that keeps coming month after month after month. So that really does get exciting. And that really makes building a business much more realistic. Now, in addition, we're going to be using one of the absolute best values, in my opinion, one of the very best values on the internet, and that's going to be our product. And extreme value is simply going to make it easier for you to sell, easier for you to market, and so forth. These are important ingredients for long-term success. In addition, this is what I call an evergreen product. It's the kind of product that just keeps on trucking. It's not built on a fad or a trend or anything like that. Those are great, but they do tend to come and go, and this one is solid and steady and just keeps on going. If you want to make an extra $100 a month, an extra $1,000 a month or more, if that's what interests you, I invite you to keep watching and stay with me for your bonus, which is another way that you can earn money from home. The product that we're going to be using is called AIOP. AIOP stands for All-in-One Profits. And All-in-One Profits is a complete marketing platform. It includes everything that an online business is going to need in order to do business online. AIOP provides at least $197 a month worth of value to $297 worth of value. You're sincerely going to have to pay $200 to $300 to get what you're going to be getting with AIOP for $11.50 per month. It's $11.50 for the basic plan. Again, it is a complete marketing system. Everything they're going to need is included, and I'm talking about the website, the blog, the splash page builder, the unlimited autoresponder, tracker, cloaker, complete training. We're going to get to that a little bit later. Funnels, rebrandable ebooks, downline builders, ads, banners, e-library, a rotator, and more. In addition to being exactly what people need for starting an online business at a price that is literally the very best on the internet, I'm going to be sharing more details that are going to blow your mind about AIOP. These are details that are making people rich and can make you rich. I've already mentioned the income is residual, so that means when you introduce somebody to AIOP, you're going to get paid month after month after month. Residual income is not just fantastic income. It's it's the absolute best way to experience growth. But there's another thing I want to share with you, and that is what's called a pass-up compensation plan. And what that means is that everyone that you bring in to AIOP, you're going to keep every odd-numbered person. You're going to keep the first person, the third person, the fifth person. You're going to pass up the even-numbered people, the second, the fourth, sixth, and so on. And when I first looked at this, I wasn't so sure I was going to like that. Let's take a look at it, because it's absolutely amazing that it's going to put a ton of money in your pocket. If you like this video so far, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up if you would. I'd appreciate that. Do that right now. Thank you. If you haven't joined my channel yet, I invite you to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way I'm going to be able to let you know every time that I upload a new video. Back to our video. For the sake of example, you bring in 6 people, and you keep the odd-numbered people. You keep the odd-numbered referrals. So the first, the third, and the fifth are yours. The second, the fourth, and the sixth are passed up. You're going to get 3 people out of those 6 that are going to pass up their referral to you. In other words, you passed up 3 referrals, but you're already picking up 9 referrals from those 3. This is going to continue down the line to infinity. There's no end to the depth or the width of this referral program. So as you can see, as your downline builds, you're going to make more and more income on those pass-ups. Now, if you're like me, most of these kind of examples that I'm showing you, in my opinion, they're kind of unrealistic. But what makes this example really powerful, really truly powerful, is because it's only based on 3 people. Now, it might take you more than 6 people to get 3 people that are going to actually promote the business, but it's only based on 3 people. Then those 3 people only have to find 3 people. What that simply means is that 3 people is realistic. It's very realistic. It's very doable. This is not pie in the sky. This is not smoke. This is very achievable. This is not income hocus pocus. Because of the pass-up system, you're simply leveraging your income through others. And the income that we're looking at is the basic AIOP subscription. This is just the basic plan. There are actually 2 more upgrade plans called the Pro and the VIP. With the Pro plan, you can make 50% more income, and the VIP, you can make 100% more income. You'll find a link below to the compensation plan, and it is truly amazing. Once you join AIOP, log in, scroll over Toolbox, click on eLibrary, and then click on Downloads. Next, click on WP 101, WordPress 101, and what this is, it's a complete step-by-step WordPress training course about setting up your WordPress site with AIOP. And this is going to cover everything you need to know and then some. And you're going to go from themes to plugins to SEO from A to Z. And it's a video tutorial step-by-step, so real easy to follow, real easy to understand. Again, remember that your website is also included. So the next thing we want to do is go back to the eLibrary, click on cPanel, and this tutorial is a comprehensive guide to your cPanel, which is your control panel. Every aspect of your control panel is covered, again, step by step, and these tutorials alone, just these 2 tutorials, are priceless. And we're not done yet. We want to go back once again to your eLibrary and click on List Building Basics, and what this is, it's your autoresponder, and it's a step-by-step tutorial about your autoresponder. In fact, it's more than just a tutorial. The last training video, for example, gets into some second-level marketing. So next, let's talk about traffic. And below you're going to find 2 links, and these are going to help you with generating traffic. The first link is going to be a training video about traffic. That video is one of my videos that's going to focus primarily on video as a way to drive traffic and using sites such as YouTube, TikTok, and so on. But the thing that I want you to know about that particular training is that you're not going to have to buy a thing. You're not going to have to get in front of a camera. You're not going to have to do a voiceover. You're going to be amazed how easy it is to use video marketing, a lot easier than you might expect, and again, it is free. And the traffic bundle is also free, and what this is going to cover is pretty much the other areas such as social media and so on, the other ways that you can get free traffic. And there's also training about paid traffic. This brings us to your bonus! And your bonus is another way that you can make money from home. And this is actually my #1 recommendation for making money from home. And what it is, it's a fast-track training program whereby you can make $10,000 or more per month within the next 2 to 3 months. You'll find a link below to this training program where it says Start Here. Just look for Start Here training program. Click on the link and I'll send you the details. If you haven't hit that like button yet, please do that right now. Thank you so much. And again, I remind you to join my channel so that you know each time a new video is published. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'm rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success, and I'll see you in the next video.